good morning! O, diba? Parang si Imba lang. Today, you guys, I'm going to Cheryl's house. Parang ang ganda ko dito, ah. Charot. And today, you guys, we are going to speak mainly English. So, English only policy. Wow. Whatever we do, whatever we eat, we're going to speak English. And they didn't know this. I just made this rule just right now. So, yeah. And of course, they don't have a choice because it's my camera. And it's gonna go to their faces whether they like it or not. So, yeah. I'm taking my stuff with me because I'm going to edit while I'm there. So, English. So, I forgot. Whatever. I forgot what to say. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead over there. And yeah, let's go, you guys. We are here at the mall with Cheryl. So, as I've told you earlier, it's going to be English only policy. I was like, no matter what we do, we're going to speak English. Are you ready for the English vocabulary?
Bring it on, my friend.
What? English?
Okay.
Got it? Okay, let's do it. You guys, we are here at the Phipps Plaza.
Oh, wow. There you go.
Yo, we are here at the Park Avenue thrift store. You know, just browse around. Yeah, we did not shop at the mall because we don't want to. Or should I say we don't have money? And we're waiting for my friend Gracie. Do I need to take my camera with me, bakla?
You can if you want to. Just leave your laptop.
Grace is here. So we already had this agreement that she can only say yes and no.
Wow.
Because her English is very deep. Right, girlie?
Yes.
There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Right, bakla?
Yes and no. Yes. Indeed.
So, girlie, look at this.
I don't use it. It's the same. What size is it though?
I don't know.
Let's see. That looks big. It's cute. Oh.
Ay, perfect. That's cute.
Size?
I don't know.
That looks small.
Let me shop real quick. The competition is real. We're the same size, the same style, so I better shut my mouth and shop. You can say, boom.
Look at that ruffles.
Girl, this.
Oh, that looks cute. That's gonna look cute on you.
Nope.
No? Too much?
Girl, this is for balls. So, we're hungry, but we're still not gonna give up because Cheryl, she's not happy with 2 purchases. So now, we're just gonna go ahead and find more to spend. Right, bakla?
How about we're buying a sunscreen for your black ass? For your black ass.
Are we going to the rehabilitation center?
Yeah, I'll drop you off for goodwill. I'll donate you.
We need to rehabilitate ourselves, you know? But before that, let's stop at Marshall's.
Is this the last one?
Oh wow, this place is newly renovated.
Look at that. It looks...
Yeah, it looks clean.
Look dead.
Look dead too.
You know this is not the nicest one though.
Yeah, it's fine. We're just gonna return her stuff.
No, we're just gonna return and get sunscreen.
Return?
Okay. No shopping. Okay.
Right.
Focus, girls, focus.
Mm-hmm.
Can I park there for disabled?
You cannot. You
Janen Janen doesn't need to pretend.
Exactly, I'm really disabled. Girlie, our English is too much. Okay, so this is the rehabilitation center. It's called Marshall's. We're all good girls, right, ladies? We only get sunscreen. Sunscreen my ass. I got sunscreen.
And a swimsuit on sale.
And a swimsuit on sale, which is not bad. And oh my god, I'm hungry. Are you, Cheryl, are you happy, bakla, with your stuff? Are you?
Yeah. Okay,
right.
Cheryl. Venmo complete. Okay, I got it.
Yes.
No,
I
don't do
spent
this a lot.
What?
True. Like at least not with me. So.
At least not with you, but about her.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, what about you? You actually didn't get a lot when we went to the mall either, right?
I like speaking English.
Oh.
Better.
That's good.
I know.
Don't English me. I'm not school.
Oh, I'm in US, so I will English. It's beautiful, yo. It's beautiful out there. It's enough for us to get toasted. I hope this SPF 50 will work. And we are home, you guys. Look at Cheryl made some pork belly cut into the pieces. We have okra, steamed okra. We have, wow. This is really for Grace, Cheryl, and mine. And we have fermented fish. Ay, butang eh. Akala mo
Fermented fish. For short, dinamos.
Correct! So we have fermented fish, you guys. Sounds like rich. It sounds like fancy, but it's ginamos. And here, you guys, it's 96 degrees outside. Of course, we are Filipino. We're gonna have a soup, regardless. So Cheryl's specialty is nilagang baka. In English, oh, damn. Baka is cow. Girlie?
Yes.
Nilagang baka, what's the English? Stewed.
Beef stew. Beef.
Beef stewed, stewed beef.
Stewed talaga, stewed.
You stood by me. Wow. Of course, my intelligent friend is working, and look at the unintelligent, nothing to do.
You get Plato.
Hoy.
What the heck? Don't be, you know.
Where's the plate?
Is in English is
Plate two. How about a small plate?
It's
Plate
a small
two. The fermented fish is laying down. Oh God. Child.
Over your shoulder.
My saliva is, ano yung nangangasim gani, girlie?
Sourly.
Let's eat first before we get crazy.
So beer is food.
Yeah. Where's the abridor? Where is the opener?
You don't have to open that one. Yangling?
Girlie, would you like the yangling, ma'am?
Sure.
Okay, fuerte. Fuerte.
I think that you should get.
Let's drink while we're young, because when we get old, we're not drinking anymore.
Oh, you slice the mango.
Ay, sus! Let's eat first! Tagay sa tagumpay, my friend! Perfect!
Shot para kiat.
This beer is a Yingling. This is really good beer. Here. Let me serve my boss. My boss over there is working. Ma'am,
Making that money.
make sure
Thank you.
make sure I'm getting a raise, okay?
Yes. For more
Right.
shopping.
Oh, yes, auntie. Okay, where's the mango? So, show them our food, girlie.
My goodness.
Let them show the world our food.
This is too much. So you got the sauce, got the okras, you got the pork belly, the beef stew.
You guys, welcome to Cheryl's Kitchen. And today we have a feast, like a feast. Yes, auntie. Basically, we have a poultry in our table. We have pork, we have chicken, we have cow. Just kidding. We have beef. We have okra with
When you have a farm.
fish. Yeah, basically we have a farm. And of course, a little bit of beer, no alcohol today.
What?
Damn girl, this looks good.
It's 8, 9, and 10. Soup is so good. Solbad! In English, solve. I'm going to sleep back la. Just woke me up and you guys done at the pool. Friend! Asang balay? Ako mga friend.
I just wanna be part of your ceremony.
O, tingnan mo, o.
Synchronized swimming ba?
That's like the hairband tutorial.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. That looks good.
No, what's
Mine is not as thick as Cheryl's though.
No, because you remember you gave me two. The
Yeah.
other one is the tiny
Look
one.
at Cheryl's hair bun.
You got me the small and the big one. See, this is the tiny one.
Yeah, well, I think this is the same size as what I'm wearing, no?
Yeah. The one I'm using is the thick one.
Yeah, they're doing their hair. 2 minutes, ladies. About to start your recital.
Ready, mom.
I know, right? Okay.
Grabe maligo, Ramante. Nagpagwapa naman mo. This freaking girls put some contour.
Hindi naman. Bronzer na. Wow. I just wanna be part of your symphony.
Wow! Let's go! Langoy bakla, sige na magpagpa-cute. Sim. English only policy. Walang walang suka ang mangga. Sausaw sa kuhan, vodka. Trying to be healthy, oh.
Wow.
Ayun. Wala alcoholic ito.
Uy, lasang vodka nga.
English.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's like vodka.
It's very good in kuhan. Visit mo, pag-visit this.
Indeed.
Absolutely. I challenge my friend to swim with me. I challenge Cheryl and Grace. Break it on, girls.
Alright then.
But we can only do 3 feet. I'm the referee. You guys ready? One. Do you know how to swim?
My strategy. A little bit.
If you know how to swim, you're not in this competition.
You're disqualified.
You're disqualified.
You know,
This competition is not for swimmer. Okay, now let's go now.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hilahin ko sana yung paa niya. Okay na. We're not done. Oh, wow. Galit eh. Okay, you guys, I won. Grace and Cheryl got disqualified. Grace! No, don't leave me. Pinatay. In Cheryl's post, they said that do not swim if you have diarrhea in the past 2 weeks. Too bad.
No animals allowed in the pool.
I shit. So you guys, we're going back to Cheryl's place, taking a shower, you know, freshen up. Wow. And yeah, because we look like SHIT. Like, you know what I'm saying? I am back to my place and it's been a long, fun-filled day as always. So now I need to go to the bed and go to sleep. And thank you guys all so much for watching. And please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and let's be friends because we're not. And I'll see you again on my next video. Good night, everyone.
I just wanna dance. I just wanna